Versapak is a British manufacturer of Tamper Evident solutions and one of the world's #1 providers of Tamper Evident seals. We've been designing and manufacturing products that store or move items in a safe chain of custody for over 45 years. And we also supply public sector organisations such as the UK Border Force, the National Health Service and the London Air Ambulance, securing items in transit to give confidence to their suppliers, customers and employees. Unlike commonly used locks and seals, which can be easily compromised, a Versapak Tamper Evident seal is uniquely identifiable, meaning complete traceability and security. Versapak pouches and holdalls are strong, reliable and can be reused over 2,000 times. We pride ourselves on our sustainability credentials and we can help reduce the impact of packaging waste thanks to our reusable solutions. We continue to pursue new materials that enable us to enter more markets with an aim to provide the right solutions for our growing customer base.